Well, welcome everyone to Swift from Scratch. My name is Nev, and I've started this channel to help anyone wanting to get started in developing for the Apple platforms. So just quickly, a little bit about me. I've been developing iOS apps for over 10 years now, mainly line of business apps. However, I've touched on some educational and games development as well. When I started looking at iOS, Objective-C was the native language. However, over the past couple of years, I've migrated all of our code base across to Swift. So I've got a fair bit of experience with the Swift language now. My first series, Getting Started with Swift, covers the basics of Swift. And in later series, I will get into app development using Swift and also Swift UI. Anyway, please take a look at my videos. If you find them helpful, it would be great if you could give them a like. And of course, it would be great if you subscribe to the channel as well. And if you click the bell, you'll get notified of any new videos when I publish them. Okay, well, cheers for now.